In this video, I present a remarkable 18th century Verge Fusee pocket watch crafted by English watchmaker John Norgate. This piece showcases the early development of mechanical timekeeping and reflects the intricate craftsmanship of its era. John Norgate was active during the mid to late 1700s and is known for producing high-quality timepieces using the Verge escapement and Fusee mechanism, both typical of the period. This watch is a wonderful example of his work, featuring ornate details and historical significance. Enjoy the video and if possible subscribe channel.